Hey everyone, we are Team Global Saxa.
Vietnam has great market potential. Its GDP grew at 5.8% in 2014, and the government wants to improve access to healthcare. However, there are significant challenges facing Medtronic, the most pressing of which are that existing cath labs are overburdened and that there are major patient pathway bottlenecks. We have some solutions to address these problems. At the moment, when patients enter hospitals, they are referred to a general cardiologist known as a GC, or an interventional cardiologist known as an IC. As GCs lack incentives to make referrals to ICs, patients requiring special attention will often instead be prescribed medication rather than get referred to ICs for advanced procedures. Thus, patients either receive inadequate treatment or may be forced to wait an extended period of time for surgical procedures in cath labs that are currently overburdened. We thought of two ways to attack these problems. First is to develop an app that would track client information and make suggestions as to whether or not a client would need GC or an IC. The second would be for Medtronic to own its own cath labs, either through a public-private partnership and or partnering with other existing healthcare providers in Vietnam. The app, called CardioU, will be available to all individuals with access to the internet. Patients logging into the app will be able to indicate the symptoms that they are experiencing. Using previous medical history, if available, as well as an understanding of which symptoms require special medical attention, patients will be referred to either a GC or an IC. CardioU will therefore serve as a tool that will both mitigate the bottleneck issue currently experienced in hospitals, as well as feed into a database for which patient medical information can then be stored, assuming consent is received from patients. Partnering with the Vietnamese government to build and manage cath labs has several advantages for Medtronic. First, the company can leverage its experience in the field to yield efficiencies that reduce costs and maximize the number of procedures. Second, it can market higher value services and promote innovative technologies. Third, it can encourage device usage, limit the usage of competitors' devices, and grow the Medtronic brand. And finally, as part of the company's efforts to make healthcare available for all, private cath labs charge a premium and subsidize procedures at public hospitals for underprivileged patients. Using all the data generated by these initiatives, Medtronic can work with the Vietnamese Ministry of Health to create a database to improve the efficiency of healthcare services in Vietnam, while at the same time ensuring that patients receive the treatment that is most appropriate for them. We think that these strategies represent excellent opportunities for Medtronic to expand its growth in Vietnam. Thank you very much for your time.